Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. As I promised you, we're starting to unbox the kits that I purchased in Michael's yesterday. In total, there were 5 kits from the brand Diamond Dotz. As far as I know, Diamond Dotz either an American or maybe European brand, and they have really very nice quality kits. Today we will unbox a stocking. I'm not sure if it is an actual stocking or it's just a picture on the fabric that should be framed. Not sure yet, but we will open and see what it is. For me, it's gonna be a surprise as well as for you if you haven't purchased it before. So this is a partial diamond painting kit in the size of 22 by 42 centimeters. What confuses me that there is a fabric size. So that's what makes me think that it could be just a regular picture that needs to be framed, not a stocking. And here is the pasting area. So we are going to open up and see what is inside. The cost of the kit was $19.99, but it was purchased on sale. The original price was $31.99. Whoa, this is unexpected and interesting. Yeah, it looks like it's an actual sock. Look at this. That's how it goes. In the plastic bag, actually, when I opened the top, because the box is pretty big, it was on the bottom. At first I thought that there is no canvas, that they forgot to put canvas inside. So let's start then with the canvas. Oh my god, it's actually so cute. So cute. Look at this. I don't know what kind of material it is, but it is very soft, like, you know, the majority of socks that are sold in the store. Here, maybe if it focuses, let me turn on the flash. Maybe it will show you the material. Yeah, it's much better. So now I guess you can see it. Very cute. I really like it. Okay, you know what? I'm taking my words back that it doesn't cost 30 bucks. I guess it does. There is also an area to diamond paint the name. I thought you have to write it. No, you have to diamond paint. So in the end, then not only the Christmas tree and the gift are diamond painted, but also the name. And here is the pattern on how to diamond paint the letters of the name. Very good. So it also comes with the instructions on like 8 languages. I'm not going to open it. And the drills. Now let's look at the kit a little bit more detailed. I hope it will flatten out. You know, it is a really very interesting piece. The plastic film is actually sewed to the stocking. If you look at it closely, you see it's sewed. So I won't just be able to remove it like this. What I would have to do is either to use a razor to carefully cut here and remove the plastic film, or I don't know, I will ask my mom because she sews too, and most likely she will be able to remove it more accurately than me, somehow differently. Not sure. And it is also sewed here to the stocking. Very interesting. I've never seen anything like this before, so I'm not quite sure how to remove it. I will talk to my mom. I was hoping maybe it would say somewhere here in the instructions, but no, this is just a standard instruction of how to diamond paint a kit. Very, very, very interesting. I really like this diamond painting. Here it is. Now let's look at the drills. The kit has a separate legend where we see that it contains 10 colors. 4 of them are special shaped, the rest are regular plastic ones. Of course, round drills are used. Although it is weird, do you see here on number of colors it says 12? I guess they made a mistake. In reality, there are 10. Oh no, actually there are 12. Okay, this is kind of confusing. 12 colors, but on the legend only 10 are listed. Very interesting. Maybe, you know what? You know what? Most likely they put 2 separate colors for the name imprint. That's why. Yeah, most likely. Yeah, because I don't see where white would go here. It wouldn't. Very thoughtful, Diamond Dots. Very thoughtful. Nice job, as always. Okay, let's start with special drills. There are 4 of them. They represent Christmas ornaments on the tree. Red, orange, blue, and green. Then we have 1 color of AB diamonds, yellow. As for instance, yellow goes here as Christmas lights. What I'm planning to do, I'm going to replace those with yellow crystals to again create this illumination effect on the Christmas lights, on the Christmas tree, plus, crystalline lights on the tree plus crystalline ornaments. Should work really nice. And I will also replace yellow AB drills here with crystals as well, again for illumination of the star. Then other, I don't even know what color it is. I won't even tell you, name it. I won't name the color. Green, blue, and this is, again, these are kind of the same, and green. I don't know what color it is. I might leave yellow AB diamonds here on the present, but I will definitely replace them with crystals on the Christmas tree. And white and red for the name. I might actually use white AB diamonds instead to put a name on there. In the end, I really like the painting. I really like the kit. I hope it will turn out magnificent. Not sure if I'm going to seal it once I complete it. I don't know. We'll talk about it later. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that this video will help you to make up your mind whether to purchase this kit or not, because again, Diamond Dots kits are not cheap. The original price was $32. Maybe it costs this much, taking into consideration all this. To tell you the truth, I do not really like doing unboxing videos, or if I do, I try to complete the painting as fast as I can and upload already a video review, because the unboxing video will not give you an objective review of the diamond painting. It can look amazing while unboxing, beautiful drills, great canvas, but you will never know if the kit is worth purchasing unless you diamond paint it. Only while diamond painting a kit you can say whether the drills are of good quality, whether the final result looks pixelated or detailed. I don't like to recommend people to purchase this or that kit from this or that brand while unboxing, because you cannot really objectively assess, not sure if it is the right word, the diamond painting. The diamond painting should be given a verdict only after it's being completed. And again, you need to see the final result to understand whether the diamond painting is worth being bought or not. Wait for me to complete all my unboxed diamond paintings, and only after that I will give you a verdict whether I personally liked it or not, and whether I personally would purchase from this seller or not, from this brand or not. And then you can also make your own judgment and see if you like the completed result or not. As to diamond dots, I completed so many of them. I know that the artists are working on their diamond paintings to, like, pixel by pixel, to make them look detailed. That is why I can assure you that it will look great after it is finished. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.